Alrighty, it's another SML reaction. The Tarantula. Let's get this started. Dr. D's dog runs away, so he needs a new pet. No tarantulas will harm missing this video.
Oh, they got a real tarantula.
Oh man, I can't wait to sit back and relax after a long day of work and watch some TV. Oh, I want to eat some Oreos too. They look so delicious. Wait, let me turn on the TV and see what's on.
Like most spiders, the tarantula has 8 legs. There are over 700 species of tarantula.
Oh my god, I hate spiders. They're so gross. They got the fangs and 8 legs and they're hairy and creepy crawly. Oh, it's so gross. Oh, especially tarantulas. They're like huge. Oh, well, let me get an Oreo and get my mind off of it. What do you want, Chompy? What? The Oreo? No. You can't have the Oreo. It's chocolate. You can't eat chocolate.
Whatever.
No, Chompy. I said no. What are you doing?
I don't know how to spell it.
Wait. Oh, Chompy! Oh, I can't believe that stupid dog shit on the ground. Oh, I'm not gonna clean this mess up. Junior!
Yeah, Chef Pee Pee?
Oh, look what your dog did.
Boy.
What? No. It's not good. You're gonna clean this stupid mess up. I don't like him pooping in the house.
Well, at least he pooped. That means at least he's, like, knowing how to poop.
Well, look. Take him outside, okay?
Well, why do I have to take him outside? He already pooped.
He might pee in the house. I don't want him to pee in the house, so take him outside.
But it's your job to take him outside.
No, it's not my job. It's your stupid dog.
Oh my god. Yes, I do.
It's getting dark, Chef Pee Pee.
Well, it's not my fault. Hopefully somebody will kidnap you. God.
Because I'm trying to...
Just take your stupid dog outside now. Unless you want to clean up this mess. Do you want to clean it up?
I'm not going to touch poop. Come on, Chompy.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Come on, Chompy. Hurry up and pee and poop. You need to stop making messes in the house, or Chef Pee Pee said we have to get rid of you. I don't want to get rid of my Chompy. Look, pee on that fire hydrant. What? Hey, it's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. It has rabies, boy. No, stop. Boy, no. Chompy, stop. Chompy, stop it. Chompy. Chompy, come back. Get away from the squirrel. It's going to eat you. Chompy? Chompy ran away. Dad.
Oh, stupid dog. I'll always have to clean up his stupid messes. Oh, I hate Junior and his pet.
Chompy.
What do you want?
Chompy saw a squirrel and he wanted to chase after it. He ran away. I don't know where he went.
Look, dog. You know, dogs just run away sometimes.
That's not how you spell happy.
I love
It's
him.
2 P's.
Since when did you love him? You don't even take care of him.
Yeah, I do. I take care of him. I just took him outside. He ran away. Please go find him, please.
No, I'm not going to find him. Look, he'll come back if he really wants you.
I miss Chompy. I love him.
You don't even love him. You barely even take care of him, Junior.
I'm going to tell my dad. You want me to find him.
Whatever, big crybaby. Chef Pee Pee, what is this I hear about you losing Junior's
Look
dog?
at cat.
You lost it, Daddy.
It's okay.
Look at that cat.
It's okay, son. No, that's a lie. That's a flat-out lie. Junior's the one that took him outside. He lost him. Wait. Junior, you lost him?
Well, yeah, I lost him, but it's Chef Pee Pee's fault. He's the one that made me take him outside knowing I'm not responsible enough.
Wait, that is true. You know he's irresponsible. He's nothing but an idiot. Look, you better take him outside and find that stupid dog. But if you don't find him, you better buy him any type of pet he wants. And I mean any type, okay?
Really, Dad?
Yeah, you can get anyone you want.
I don't think so. Why do you need to make another
God,
page?
why, Bowser? Just why?
We're not gonna be showing this in the video
Make sure he's
anyways.
happy.
Come on, Chef Pee Pee, let's go find Chompy before he gets too far.
Whatever, crybaby. Well, Junior, it's raining outside. Looks like you're not going to be able to get Chompy.
What if he's all wet and scared, Chef Pee Pee?
Of course he's going to be wet. It's raining.
What do you think about my flyer? Do you think someone will call me if they find him?
Missing dog. My dog Chompy is missing. Please call me if you see him, because I miss him. Oh, that's thoughtful. Wait, you forgot the number, Junior.
I really hope someone calls me if they find him.
How are they going to call you if you didn't put a number down?
Look, it's a nice picture of him.
I mean, the picture is nice, but look. How about we just go in the house because it's raining, okay? We're not going to be able to find him right now.
Okay, Chef Pee Pee, maybe someone will call me in the morning.
Yeah, right. Julie, why are you crying?
Because we didn't find Chompy tonight. What if he drowned?
Why would he drown, Junior?
It's raining.
Rain? Oh my God, you're so stupid, I swear. Look, this is your chance to get a new pet, Junior. Why don't you just get a new pet?
I don't want a new pet. I want Chompy. He was my favorite dog ever.
What do you want, Chompy? All he did was would shit on the floor every day.
Oh, I mean, but it was fun watching you clean it up.
What? No, it wasn't. Look. This is your chance to get a new pet. Why don't you just get a cat or a fish or...
There was a cat in the earlier scene, if you look in the background.
Oh, yeah. What about...
Speaking of it. Well, I don't want a new pet, Chef Baby. I want Chompy back.
Look at it this way. A new pet is like a new friendship.
Oh, I didn't think of it that way. What type of pet should I get? Should I get a gecko or an iguana or a pterodactyl?
Okay,
That's what pterodactyls say.
Settle down, okay? Look. I have $20 right here. This should be enough to get your new pet.
I think pterodactyls are more than $20, Chef Pee-Pee.
Well, it looks like you're not getting a pterodactyl today.
Any pet I want. I'm trying to think. Any pet. I mean, there's
you can get any pet you want, as long as it's not a tarantula.
A tarantula? What's that?
Oh, man, they're just ugly, creepy, gross spider. They're super hairy and got 8 legs. They just crawl on you. They got big fangs. Oh, it's so gross.
What? That sounds really cool, Chef Pee-Pee.
No, it's not. It's not cool at all. You better not get a tarantula. You can get anything but a tarantula.
There you go, kid. Here's your pet tarantula.
Whoa, a
Whoa, that thing's
tarantula.
kind of big.
Yeah.
What does Mario want?
Does he move?
I mean, yeah, sometimes. You know.
Does he play fetch?
No.
Does he roll over?
No, he's not a dog. He's a spider.
Well, I got him to replace my missing dog.
Well, he's not gonna do any of those things. He's a tarantula. He just crawls around, eats crickets.
Well, then why do people get him then?
I mean, mostly just so they can say that they have a tarantula. You know, just to be edgy.
Oh,
No.
Well, here's a cool thing. You see that's a real human skull in there.
really?
Yeah. That's the skull of the previous owner because he ate him.
What?
I'm just joshing you, kid. No, he doesn't eat people.
Oh.
Just crickets.
Oh, you scared me there. I thought he ate people. I was like, I don't want him anymore.
Nah, just joking.
Whoa, this is a cool tarantula. What do you think I should name him?
I mean, I don't know.
What if I name him Itsy?
Itsy.
Like Itsy Bitsy Spider?
No, that's stupid. What about like Spider-Man, Spidey, Peter Parker? You know,
What about Man Crusher?
he's not a monster truck.
Mean Bean?
What? He's not a coffee shop either. This is stupid.
Well, fine. I'll just name him Terrence.
Terrence.
Yeah, like Tarantula.
That was good. That was good. That was really, really good. Yeah, it was great.
Terrence.
It was awesome.
Yeah, that's
oh
good.
my
Yeah,
God, yeah, I think
Terrence.
we're done there. That's great. Just call it a wrap. That was good.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, Terrence.
Okay, I'm out of here. All right. So you need anything, you call me, okay?
All right.
Don't let him out because he does bite.
Okay, I won't let him out. Whoa, you're so awesome, Terrence.
That was good. That was a really, really good.
It was, I know, right?
Awesome.
All right. Whoa, Terrence. Joseph and Cody invite them over. They have to see you.
Junior, why do we have blindfolds on?
Yeah, dude, I can't even see.
Because I want my new pet
Oh
to
my
be
God, they
surprised.
have an actual.
Come on,
They have him
get him.
actually out.
Come on,
Where
Terrence.
is it, Junior?
Yeah, where is it, dude?
All right, guys, take your blindfolds off.
Okay.
Junior, what? Junior, is that a spider?
Junior, what the hell, dude?
It's a tarantula.
I know
What are you
it
doing
is,
with a
Junior. Why?
spider?
Why? Why did you get a tarantula?
Because my dog ran away and I'm feeling really lonely.
So you got a tarantula?
Yeah, why?
And his name is Terrence.
Terrence.
Tarantula.
That's good. That's
Right?
This is pretty deep, but still, Junior, this is scary.
Well, I mean, he's just the nice little spider.
What if he bites, Junior?
Yeah.
Think about that?
Dude, he's big and hairy. He could bite anybody.
He only
No,
bites when
they
y'all freak
can't.
out like y'all were doing.
Well, because there's a spider in the house, Junior.
Well, look, he's nice and calm. But come on, get on my
I don't
knee.
want him to hear me, Junior.
Yeah. I'm not really a spider
Get him,
person.
Terrence.
Wait,
Get him, Terrence.
Give me
Get him,
Terrence.
Junior.
No,
Get him.
put him back in
Yeah,
his cage
please.
right now.
Put him back in his
He's
cage.
scaring me,
Right
He
dude.
now.
just wants kisses.
I
I don't want to kiss him.
I don't want to give him.
Come on,
It's a
Terrence.
stupid spider.
Come on, Terrence. Let's get back in your cage. All right, Terrence. You're back in your cage because they're big babies.
Sorry, Junior. I just don't want to get bit by a tarantula.
Yeah, dude.
He doesn't bite unless you, be really mean to him.
So what does he do?
Yeah.
The guy said he just, crawls around.
Really?
Yeah, that's it.
I mean, that's not exciting.
I haven't fed him a cricket yet. Y'all want to see him tear a cricket apart?
Yeah.
That's
Oh my God.